Turn the lights on. Just lounge in there.
Is it?
Look up to the kitties.
Any goodies? Any goodies? This is the latest new cat. If you don't know, she's my neighbor. Get to know her. His name is Gizzy. Gizzy, but we call
Get your foot. Get your foot.
his real name is Gizmo, but we call him Gizzy. For short. And this was Gizzy, everybody. Bye.
There she is. She's back up in the feet. It's okay.
Yeah, don't scare her.
Bye. Goodbye.